Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy, and today we're reviewing Voodoo Wheel Cleaner. This is with iron remover. It breaks down the dirt, grime, and dust off your wheels. This is a very chemically feeling wheel cleaner, and it kind of smells like a sewage treatment plant when you spray it. It's almost to the point where I don't want to spray it anymore because it smells like it just smells like a sewer. But we're gonna go and spray it again. We're gonna try it on the wheels of our Cayenne. We're gonna spray it, wait 3 to 5 minutes, pressure wash it off. It's suggested that you agitate with brushes to clean the wheels 100%, but we all know that with every cleaner you have to agitate. We're just seeing what we can take off the wheels with just a pressure washer and the spray. So let's go ahead and get the wheel spray down. I've already pre-rinsed them, which I do almost every day anyways, so we'll see how much dirt it will take off. I believe this also has the color change in it, so when it removes the iron it turns purple. I can't remember, but we'll see when we spray the wheels down, so let's get to it. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and spray the rear wheel with the Voodoo fast acting wheel cleaner. The spray on the bottle is pretty terrible. Oh man, it smells like complete shit too. Just reminds me of being in a sewage plant. Also guys, the bottle is leaking, so I'm gonna change it out. Alright guys, so we got the Voodoo Wheel Cleaner put into a chemical spray bottle. These spray bottles are secondary containers sold on the shelf because I have a stack of them, because most chemical guy bottles suck as well. So the bottle leaking isn't a big deal, other than now my hands smell like they've been in a toilet at a truck stop. That's how bad this stuff smells. Let's go ahead and... Oof. I really don't want it to splash back on me. It smells fucking terrible. So we got the chemical turning purple when it's removing the iron. Liberally spray it on. I believe the bottle of wheel cleaner was under 20 bucks. Alright guys, we'll give it 3 minutes and then we'll pressure wash it off.
Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do.
Alright guys, our 3 minutes is up. I'm not waiting till 5. It says 3 to 5 and it stinks so bad I'm spraying it now. Alright guys, these are the wheels on my Z4, and it hasn't been driven for about 2 months. Been sitting in the garage. This is the front wheel. You can see, hopefully you can see it, my finger marks rubbing a clean spot on the wheel. Let's try this Voodoo cleaner on this rim and see if there's a difference. Alright guys, using the Voodoo wheel cleaner on the front rim of the Z4. This rim hasn't been washed yet. Alright guys, the 3 minutes is up on the front wheel. Let's go and pressure wash it off and see how much dirt came off of this rim. And then we'll go back and revisit the Porsche wheel since it's almost air dried. Guys, just for the heck of it, let's go and respray the rim and see if it can get any more purple run marks. See if it was able to remove the iron on the first run after letting it soak for 3 minutes and pressure washing it. The video doesn't do it justice. You see all the purple running down the driveway, which it removed a lot of iron. You can see some iron at the valve stem there. That might just be the old stuff. We'll go and let that soak again and see how much more comes off. All right, guys, let's get a close-up view of the wheels on the Porsche to see how well Voodoo Wheel Cleaner worked. All right, guys, I mean, I'm sure it removed the iron since it turned purple, but there's still a thin layer of dirt on the wheel and in the drum area, as I expected. All right, guys, as expected, the cleaner didn't get all the dirt off of the rim. It never does. It did turn purple. It did remove some of the iron, but the only way to get a true clean wheel is to scrub it, clean it with a nice cleaner. I like the Chemical Guys Diablo with the gerbil brushes, and just take your time and clean the wheel. But we're gonna try a bunch of wheel cleaners till we find one that actually works like it says on the bottle, even though the bottle does say to scrub. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the review of Voodoo Wheel Cleaner. And as always, thanks for watching. Links in the description below if you want to try it for yourself. Just be aware, it smells like a sewer. And it is an Amazon link, so I make a couple pennies if you buy the product. Peace.